They are saying for 6 months you can withdraw only 1,000 rupees. Is 1,000 enough in today's world to survive? That is for 6 months. The Modis and all that thing, they just take frauds of crores and crores of rupees and overnight they can flee the country. But every time a common people like us, we have to suffer. Why we have to suffer for everything? We pay our income tax, we pay all the road tax and everything.
हमने कल हमने आकर मैनेजर के सामने कल डिपॉजिट किया है पूरा। उसने एक बार भी कुछ नहीं बोला कि भाई अभी मत डिपॉजिट करो, कुछ मत करो, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ आने वाला है। हमने पूरा डिपॉजिट किया, राजा आए तो ऐसे अभी एक पैसा देने को तैयार नहीं है। अभी हम लोग बहुत परेशान है, अभी करे तो करेगा क्या?
तो अर्बन जाला तशेंच आमी आतां चिंतताले अर्बन मंच जातले PMC कडेन आनी अर्बन बरी चलतली। हे व्हडले फ्रॉड जाले PMC लोकांनी खंयचे बँकेन विश्वास दवरपाचो?
Even we can't remove the savings account also, we can't remove the money from 6 months that not about the April, let it be. Savings we can't remove that any.
No, yesterday you phoned me.
Yeah, yesterday I deposited, then up till yesterday evening it is everything is okay. Today morning we got the news like.
आता आमचं सगळं क्लिअर येऊ ना, आता आपण इतके द्यायला मिळेल की मुखात तो या लागला राहा आयच्या. This are now facing the customer because customer want very small amounts. They make it for 1,000. They make withdraw.
1,000. This morning 1,000
is not proper also. So for that now they are going to the emergency solution. So let's see today about they will give some solutions.
PMC Bank was supposed to be a very good bank because it has a good reputation for quite some time. It was giving very good interest. But all of a sudden, किती झाले काहीच समजना. RBI has come out with this regulatory. That it is come out of a jolt, sudden. And only you cannot blame government also. There are many other reasons.
Basically, this bank has helped me. This bank has helped me a lot. It has helped me in my business. It has helped me to grow my business over the last 6 years. And today, though the bank is in trouble, it is my duty now. I have decided that I am going to continue banking with PMC, and I hope this all blows over. The bank supported me in my time of need, and today I will be supporting my bank. I am with my bank till all this blows over. And
मोदी सरकार लोकांक सोयऱ्या त्रासान घालून भायर सरला आनी उठला. कित्याक वयता थिंगा बँकी हो लॉस करून उडयता. ते मातशें लोकांनी फुडें सरून आनी तेका क्वेश्चन करून तेका जाय तें विचारपाचें आहा. आनी आमी नको आमचो आतां फ्युचर कसो जातलो पळय तो.
आज हांगा लोकांक फटयल्यात पळोवंक शकता. लोकांक लायनी कश्यो लागल्याच्यो. लोकांले हांगा कश्टांचो पयसो एक वाटेन गव्हर्मेंट सांगता मेक इन इंडिया स्टार्टअप करता बिजनेस स्टार्ट करपाक. आमी हांगा लोन घेतिल्लो आशिल्लो. लोन घेऊन बिझनेस स्टार्ट केला. कश्टां पयसो घालून आज आमचे पयशे हांगा ब्लॉक जावन उरले आतां.
म्हापसा अर्बन बँक PMC बँकेत विलीन करपाचे संचालक मंडळान हालींच थारायिल्ले. तशे दिशेन यत्न जावचे म्हूण थारावूय जाल्लो. मात आतां PMCचेरूच RBIचे निर्बंध. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा म्हापसा अर्बनाचेरूय उपाय काडूंक RBI कडेनूय उलोवप जाला.
म्हापसा अर्बनात पयशे उरल्या म्हाजेय उरल्या. आता तेका शेवटी इट इज RBIची गायडलायन. तेका कोण कांयच करूं शकना. आमचो चल्ला RBI कडेन उलोवप सुरू आसा. फाटलेय फावटी RBIचे ऑफिसर तांचे कडेन आमी उलयताले. तेतूंतल्यान कितें तरी सोल्युशन आमी गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून काडपाची आमची तयारी आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.